So to begin, you want to arrange your threads on the board, and at one side I've got 2 threads to make a chevron, and at the other side I've got 1 thread to make a chevron. So this is what's going to create the asymmetrical pattern. So to get started, I'm going to create my chevron with the main colour to start with. So I'm going to take 2 of the threads in the centre, and I'm going to knot them together. And then taking the next 2 at either side, I'm going to knot these towards the centre over both threads. And then once in the centre, you can knot the centre threads together. And you want to keep doing this until you get to your contrasting chevron colour. Once you get to the row where you're going to do your first colour change, you can have 1 chevron colour at one side, but at the other side it's going to be the same block colour. So to start with, if you've got your chevron colour at the same side as me, you're just going to work this towards the centre as normal until you get it to the middle. And then do the same thing at the other side until you get to the centre. So once you've got both of those threads in the centre, you want to make sure that your chevron colour is the one that you're going to be showing. So you always work that colour over the other one, whichever way round it is. And then for your last row, you can have your chevron colour at each end. So you can just do this row as you would normally do for any other row. So once you've completed your first chevron, you'll see that one side is thinner and the other side is a little bit thicker. And this will be the opposite way around when you get to your next chevron. So once you've got to your next colour change, you'll see you've got 2 at the opposite side this time and 1 at the opposite side. So once again, like you did before, you're going to knot towards the centre with different colours until you get the threads to the middle. So once you've got both your threads in the centre, you're going to knot in the opposite direction to the one you did last time. So for me, I'm going to be knotting right to left this time. Let's just make sure that your chevron colour stays on the top of your bracelet. And then for your next row, you're going to have both the same colours this time, so you can knot these the way you would normally do. And then you want to repeat this pattern until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it. And once you've done, you should end up with something that looks like this. So now you can just try on your bracelet. And that is your completed asymmetrical chevron friendship bracelet.